कुछ भी आगे करना है या उसमें सरवाइव करना है आईटी फील्ड में, तो ही हैज टू लर्न क्लाउड। जीसीपी क्यों चूज किया आपने? एक डेटा इंजीनियरिंग की वर्क लाइफ कैसी होती है?
Mostly BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, and Airflow Compute. These three are the majorly service which are used in industry.
जीसीपी सीख लिया, उसके बाद क्या बाकी क्लाउड सीखना जरूरी है?
No, not required. It's 90% same. I work with IIT. Like guys who are working from with me in my team, they are from IIT Delhi.
ओके,
We are working same. He is 3-year experience, I am 5-year experience. But they are getting more than me.
ओह माय गॉड।
But I can't compare now. It's all about the degree value.
अभी भी ये वाली चीज है मार्केट में
Yeah,
कि
it's
नॉलेज
there.
से ज्यादा डिग्री मैटर
Degree matters.
आज हमारे साथ हैं दिनेश। दिनेश पिछले 5 सालों से एज अ जीसीपी डेटा इंजीनियर काम कर रहे हैं। आज के इस सेशन में जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जीसीपी आखिर होता क्या है और जीसीपी का डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के साथ क्या कोलैबोरेशन है। तो फिर देर किस बात की, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हेलो दिनेश,
Hey,
कैसे हैं आप?
the must.
ओके, सो पहले तो मैं चाहूंगी कि आप हमारी ऑडियंस को थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताएं कि लाइक आप हैं कौन, कहाँ से आते हैं, थोड़ा सा पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन।
Sure. So my name is Dinesh. Actually, I born and brought up in Rajasthan, but I have completed my study in Maharashtra.
ओके,
और एक्चुअली मेरा मतलब जो अभी करंट कंपनी वो TCS है और वहाँ मैं 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और उधर मेरा लाइक GCP में रोल है, GCP डेटा इंजीनियर।
ओके,
तो उधर लाइक एक्सपर्टाइज स्किल लाइक GCP कंपोजर, BigQuery जैसे उसके सर्विसेज होते हैं,
Right,
उस पे
right.
काम करते हैं। तो उसमें कैसा होता है एक्चुअली अभी पहले डिजाइनिंग करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उसको बिल्ड करते हैं, फिर उसको मेंटेन करते हैं। तो सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ लाइफ साइकिल होता है। तो उसमें पूरा मेरा पार्ट होता है। लाइक फर्स्ट विल डिजाइन, देन विल बिल्ड, देन विल मेंटेन द सॉफ्टवेयर।
ओके। दिनेश, आपने बोला कि आप 5 साल से इसी फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Yes, yes.
तो ये टीसीएस ज्वाइन करने से पहले जो आपकी फर्स्ट कंपनी थी वो?
हाँ, लाइक एक्चुअली मेरा प्लेसमेंट कॉलेज के थ्रू हुआ था।
ओके,
तो फर्स्ट आई जॉइंड द कॉग्निजेंट। सो एक्चुअली देयर आई वाज लाइक अ डेटा इंजीनियर ओनली, बट इट वाज लाइक L3 प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट।
ओके, ओके, राइट।
From there, I just when I got up in the organization, I got to know like these are the technologies, these are booming in the market. So I just understood the market. Then I started learning.
अच्छा,
So after, as per understanding of the market, then I started learning. After learning, then I just learned that thing, and then I started giving interview for GCP, actual GCP data engineer.
ऑल राइट।
Actually, I was just data engineer, but later after my joining second organization, then I become a GCP data engineer.
जीसीपी डेटा।
Because I got to know cloud is booming and it is being used in most of the organization.
या आई हैव टॉक्ड विद मेनी प्रोफेशनल्स, या जैसे हम ये पॉडकास्ट कंडक्ट कराते ही रहते हैं और जो एक चीज मुझे सारे आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स आकर बोलते हैं कि क्लाउड इज द फ्यूचर।
Yeah.
कि
That is
अगर किसी भी आईटी प्रोफेशनल को कुछ भी आगे करना है या उसमें सरवाइव करना है आईटी फील्ड में, तो ही हैज टू लर्न क्लाउड, एनी क्लाउड, बट क्लाउड सीखना जरूरी है।
Sure.
अच्छा, जैसे आपने बताया कि जीसीपी के बारे में आपको बाद में पता चला,
Yeah.
मैं ये बोलूंगी कि जीसीपी क्यों चूज किया आपने? मतलब बहुत जनरलाइज्ड क्वेश्चन है कि सीखने के लिए तो आप बहुत सारे अलग क्लाउड्स भी सीख सकते थे, AWS है, Azure है, वो क्यों नहीं?
एक्चुअली मतलब जैसे हर एक क्लाउड का एक उसका खुद का स्पेशलाइजेशन होता है।
या
मतलब जैसे GCP का कैसा था, GCP इज न्यू इन द मार्केट।
राइट।
एक्चुअली Amazon and this Microsoft was built in later in
Yeah.
history,
या
but GCP was new in the market.
या
So what it was,
2008 में आया, आई गेस।
I think 2008 or 2010. So in
Acha,
in
right.
that market, he want to capture the business.
Right,
So what he did, they gave the low cost. So because of low cost, client has adopted that thing.
ओके,
And because of low cost and as per the productivity compared to Amazon and Azure, it gives more productivity. It has own Google engine, first of all.
या
So
राइट,
we'll get lot of data for playing with the data.
ओके।
Or their own data they'll give us in the data sets. So there we get the chance to play and practice.
सो यू आर सेइंग दैट कि गूगल का जो बैक हिस्ट्री है या उसका जो वर्थ है जो उसने ऑलरेडी मार्केट में क्रिएट किया है,
Yeah.
उसका बेनिफिट यहाँ पे हुआ।
Yes.
हाँ, तो मतलब जब क्लाइंट्स उस चीज से ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट हुए जब ये मार्केट में आया,
Yeah.
तो एंड दैट यू ग्रैब्ड कि हाँ, इस चीज को अगर हम सीखते हैं तो आगे जाके एक बेनिफिट
मिलेगा.
मिलेगा। ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट। अच्छा, ये तो बात हो गई उसकी। अच्छा, आपने डेटा इंजीनियरिंग क्यों चूज किया एज अ लाइक?
एक्चुअली ये स्टोरी थी, मतलब जब मैं पापा के साथ टिकट निकालने रिजर्वेशन काउंटर, तो
अच्छा।
आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग, आई वाज गोइंग विद हिम टू बुक द टिकट्स, लाइक वेकेशन. आई वाज अराउंड इन 9th or 10th. So there was like big screens near the reservation counter. You see,
Yeah,
they give
yeah.
details like advertisement and something.
या
So they publish there like in 2 minutes you can book the ticket from home. So I was thinking, what is that quote? So actually I gone home, I understood it, I Google it. So later I think like I thought of like मुझे IT के बारे में जानना है, वो कैसा प्रोसेस है, what is this? So वो जानने के बाद क्या हो गया, फिर I got interest developed for the IT. And some of my friends, big brothers, they were in my in society. and I started asking them. So I got interest there. So after interest, I just got to know like how I can go into this path. So I completed my 10th and I started googling like because of my financial condition, I can't go to the science. I was aware like I need to take BTech, then only I can become a software engineer, but I can't go
Right.
because of the financial conditions.
Yeah, okay.
But what I did, I did Google, I understand everything. Then I got to know like from commerce also we can go to BTech, but it's like a little bit hard journey, not that straightforward journey.
Okay.
So then I completed 11th, 12th commerce. In that I take specialization as IT subject, 11th, 12th commerce.
Oh my God. So you are not from mathematical background
No.
as such.
No.
But data engineering, I guess it demands like algorithms है, logics है. तो वहाँ पे आपको issue नहीं हुआ?
Actually, in beginning of the career, they'll give you the trainings for 6 months. So in
Okay.
that all things will be covered.
अच्छा, तो after like completing your like 12th,
Yeah.
फिर आपने BTech में switch किया.
No, actually after 12th, I take BCA. That is in commerce, Bachelor's in Computer
Computer
Application.
applications.
So there I got to learn everything like Java, Python, mathematics, statistics, everything, networking, all of the things which we learn in BTech same are in BCA, but things happen, company just give preference to BTech, not
BTech.
BCA.
BCA.
That
right.
is the problem of the
Right.
industry.
या आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब मेरे पास भी जो हमारे यहाँ जो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए, वो यही बोलते हैं कि नॉलेज हमारे पास कहो ज्यादा हो किसी ना किसी चीज को, बिकॉज हमको भी सेम ही चीज पढ़ाई जा रही है, हम भी उतनी सीरियसली पढ़ रहे हैं, बट वही होता है ना कि जो टैग रहता है इंजीनियर का, वो
BTech.
जब आगे लगा हुआ है तो उसका प्रेफरेंस अलग
First
होता है.
preference will be given there.
Yeah.
Last
But-
preference will be given.
ये सिर्फ आपके साथ नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत सारे
Because
लोगों
of
के साथ हो रहा है.
first MTech, BTech, MCA, then BCA. Fourth preference will be given to us.
अच्छा, तो फिर आपका BCA हुआ, उसके बाद आपने डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के लिए.
Yeah, after BCA last year there was placement like Infosys came, Cognizant came, TCS came. Each of company came. I've given all of the interview,
अच्छा.
but almost in last Cognizant I've cracked it. Because
Okay.
of this, like it was competition that time also. Like lots of people were coming and they were having limited number of slots.
Yeah, from last 5, I guess 8 years I would say, ये IT के लिए थोड़ा सा अब थोड़ा सा बूम बढ़ा है. उससे पहले जब I was in school, I don't remember कि इतना ज्यादा होता था. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग वाज अ फील्ड जहाँ लोग बोलते थे कि हाँ भाई वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स होते हैं, वो सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन करते हैं, उतना ही पता था बस. ये डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिस्ट, डेटा
Machine
इंजीनियर, ये
learning.
सब मशीन लर्निंग, ये सब कुछ नहीं होता था. और ये AI वाली चीज हम कार्टून्स में देखा करते थे, जब वो रोबोट्स एंड ऑल सब ये सब चीजें. इसे रियल लाइफ में तो सोचा भी नहीं था कि कभी ऐसा कुछ होगा, और आप जैसे प्रोफेशनल से बात करने का मौका मिलेगा जो एक्चुअली ऐसी चीजों के साथ काम करते हैं. अच्छा, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉडकास्ट अगेन. सो मुझे ये जानना है कि एक डेटा इंजीनियरिंग की वर्क लाइफ कैसी होती है. अभी हम क्लाउड पे आएंगे इसके बाद, वो भी थोड़ा बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Data engineer, like in basics, like we learn in college, SQL. SQL is the basic thing. If you
Yeah.
master SQL, you can go in any data field.
ये चीज सब बोलते हैं, ये अंकुश सर भी बोलते हैं बार बार कि नहीं सीक्वल तो सीखो ही, चाहे
You
कुछ
should
सीखो
be
चाहे.
master. Should be master. Simple.
ओके ओके.
And it's like it's very vast. We have lots of technology in SQL, like advanced SQL concepts, SQL basics.
आपको सीक्वल कैसे काम आती है वो थोड़ा सा बताइए वर्क लाइफ में.
Actually, what we do, like when we get a production issues, sometimes pipelines get failed, sometimes we get duplicate data. Because of that, client doesn't want that data. Client want clean data, clean and the reliable data.
Reliable
on which
data.
They can take futures.
राइट.
They can create a machine learning model on top of that.
या मतलब यहाँ से डेटा साइंटिस्ट के पास जाना है, तो जब वो मॉडल्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो वो डेटा एकदम ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए.
Actually, we work closely with data scientists and stakeholders to
Oh,
understand the
right,
requirements.
right. तो आपके बाद डेटा साइंटिस्ट के पास जाता
Yes,
है ना.
yes.
तो आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि डेटा को क्लीन करने के लिए उसमें से मतलब चीजें फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यू नीड SQL.
Yes.
सो उसके अलावा आपकी वर्क लाइफ में क्या क्या यूज होता है और कैसी रहती है आपकी रूटीन लाइफ.
Actually, like from COVID, I'm doing work from home only still
Acha.
now. And actually, my teammates are also they're also working from home only
Oh my
for my
God.
project. Actually,
सो फॉर्चुनेट दिनेश. आई एम लाइक ठीक है, मतलब ये
they have created so dependency on me, so they are giving me exceptional. Not everybody is working from home. Actually, in my organization,
ओके.
that is different thing, but it will be limited. Not
तो
not-
आप एक अच्छे जेम हैं कंपनी के लिए, इसीलिए वो आपको
For project, not a
प्रिविलेजेस
company.
दे रहे. अच्छा
Yeah.
ओके.
yeah. So that just for few months, and then I think so it will open.
या ओके राइट. हाँ, सो कमिंग बैक टू द थिंग्स, आपका वर्क लाइफ बता रहे थे आप.
Actually, like we do day to day. Like first of all, we work in agile process. So we get some tickets from the client, like some data issues are there, some logic is not working correctly.
ओके.
So actually what we do, we get data from multiple sources, like
राइट.
files, website hit links, extra XYZ this way. So we'll get the data in CSV file or somewhere in the Oracle. There they will store the data From there, we'll pull the data. So for pulling the data, we can write SQL also, and we can use ETL tools also like Informatica, Talents. These are tools they will process and bring the data into our data warehouse. So data warehouse is the thing where we do all this cleaning and activity.
Okay.
And based off this data warehouse, the machine learning models are built. Data warehouse will hold the data of minimum like 5 years to 10 years.
Okay.
So actually for machine learning in this thing, we need 5 years of data. Less than that, we can't predict the model so
Yeah, right.
accurately.
मतलब एक certain आपको you have to decide the probability based on the last kind of इतने years का जो
Data
आपका
चाहिए.
data है उसको देखकर फिर आप predict करते हैं वो चीज. That is done by data scientist,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. अभी आप जो प्रोजेक्ट में काम करें थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए कि किस तरीके का क्या प्रोजेक्ट है आपका.
Actually, this is like mostly telecom data, which
Okay.
is coming like Jio, Vodafone. So we'll get the data like from this servers, network engines, and this like all this type of data. Customer data also comes. Like
So is it structured or unstructured?
As of now, it's structured also and unstructured both.
Okay.
But unstructured is very less, 80% structured, 20% unstructured. So unstructured will be mostly like CSV file, Python, this JSON files, this type of it. But actually what we have talent team also. So they will load that unstructured data in also tabular format only.
Okay.
They will apply some transformations. So wherever it's null or blank or some issues, they will fix it and they will load into our stage data. And from that stage, we'll load it into the other sources wherever it will be used further.
Okay.
So the journey between stage to the final layer, in between the data engineer comes. He will first see the stage tables. He'll understand actually. He'll see the data, is it clean, it is reliable or not, data is coming on regular basis or not, it is accurate or not. So first he'll understand the data. After understanding, he'll write the logic. So writing the logic, there are different tools. We can write in BigQuery as well, but as of now we are using DBT also. That is data build tool. That is mostly used in our organization.
Yeah, right.
European clients are using this. This is like cost efficient because it's like a free version, open source we can do.
So this all is a data pipeline, right?
Yeah.
This can be called as a data pipeline.
Yeah.
So data pipeline का जो पूरा structure होता है, ये designing का या इसको maintaining का, तो is it like a single data engineering handle all this or there's a team of हर step पे अलग-अलग बंदा है जो काम कर रहा है?
Actually, if you go to big organization, you'll have like team for each and everything. But if you go to small organization, actually individual need to handle all this thing.
Oh my God.
So actually when I worked for second organization, that was a startup, like 50 to 100 people. There I did entire thing. So I am aware of each and every process.
Yeah, okay. And अब यहाँ से यहाँ पर GCP का क्या रोल आता है? वो मैं
जैसे पहले कैसे clients were data move नहीं कर रहे थे cloud पे. They were like on-prem.
हाँ.
From history.
Everybody wants
Oracle and that and this. So like now generation is going on and on. Data is also getting increased rapidly.
Right.
So holding that data into this Oracle is not possible now.
Yeah,
they want something on cloud where the server is like it can be increased as per the cost or the optimization and this and that. But all this backend thing it's been handled by cloud. But if we see in Oracle and this, for this we need a DBA who will handle the backend server and this.
Right.
So this cost gets saved. So because of that, client want to move cloud. And other benefit is like from cloud you can connect anything. Like from GCP you can connect Azure. From GCP you can connect Amazon. From there you can connect machine learning model. From there, you can connect this other data scientist can connect that BigQuery data into GCS bucket. So multiple options became available.
Feasible, right? Yeah, I would agree with that. Like अभी जैसे data का influx बढ़ा है, तो उस हिसाब से companies have agreed now to transfer their data on the cloud.
Yes.
Otherwise, if we'll talk 5 years back, तब वाली situation उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब feasible नहीं थी, because people were like कि हम थोड़ा risky है, how can we move our data to the internet? But now I guess this has changed somehow. Yeah. So okay, moving forward, GCP सीखना है अगर किसी को, so what will you suggest कि कहाँ से start करें, और अगर कोई data engineer ही है जिसको अगर GCP specialize करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या road map होना चाहिए?
Actually, first they should master the SQL. That is the basic.
Okay.
In each and every cloud.
Okay.
So first, if SQL is good, then his 40 to 30% work is done. So now 60-70% remains.
Okay.
So in 60-70%, they first start learning data warehousing concepts, normalization, denormalization.
Okay.
It's a data warehousing concept like star schema, snowflake schema. So this should be mastered.
Okay.
This is second point. Third point coming, there are various services in cloud, but all of the services have been not used by data engine. It depends to project and cost and everything, because each service cost to the client.
Right.
We can't use directly without user
Directly.
upload. So actually, mostly BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, these two, and Airflow Compose. These three are the majorly service which are used in industry. 70-80%.
अगर आपको इनिशियली स्टार्ट करना है तो these three can help you start in GCP.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Now अगर सपोज GCP के अलावा अगर कुछ सीखना है, GCP सीख लिया, उसके बाद क्या बाकी क्लाउड सीखना जरूरी है?
No, not required. It's 90% safe.
हाँ, मतलब सेम तो होता ही है, जस्ट फॉर शोइंग पीपल, लाइक मैंने मतलब एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट ओपिनियन ओवर दिस. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि वन क्लाउड इज मोर देन इनफ, अगर आपने एक सीख लिया तो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सिमिलर. बट कुछ मैंने ऐसे भी सुना है कि नहीं, आप सीखते रहिए. AWS का भले थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, बट AWS भी सीखिए, GCP भी सीखिए. एटलीस्ट 2 क्लाउड का नॉलेज तो होना चाहिए.
But we can take that knowledge. Instead of taking that knowledge, we can go to other service like PubSub. Like we have heard Apache Kafka that is used for real-time ingestion.
Real time.
So instead of depending on other these products, Google has their own product like Kafka, this PubSub, Dataflow. So they can learn that part because that will be more useful, and that will bring all the things in one this global. You don't need to depend on other tools or other technologies. If you know everything in the Google only, like how to bring data also will be done by the service by Google. How you will store the data, that will be also done by Google in BigQuery. How you will send the files, that will be also done in Google Cloud Storage. How you will trigger a file, like let's consider there is a storage and you need to see like whenever file arrives here, that one job should trigger, one SQL query should trigger.
Yeah.
So there are lots of concepts in GCP itself only. So instead of going to other cloud and learning same thing, not same thing I will tell, but 70-80% will be same. Here and there syntax or the service name will be different, but not major change, I think so.
Okay, so मतलब you are saying कि बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. तो एक ही चीज को बार बार सीखने से अच्छा है कि आप अपना टाइम किसी ऐसी चीज में इन्वेस्ट करें जो आपको और कुछ
फ्यूचरिस्टिक करे.
राइट, कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टूड. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू लाइक GCP की कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स भी हैं क्या? कि
ड्रॉबैक्स as of now, like it's new in the market, so as of now cost is this pro, but cons what I can tell is like basically GCP is good for data only. Other things like DevOps, building a website, deploying website on this Imager, Docker, it's not good that for GCP, but GCP is mainly built for data things.
Okay.
Data things for cloud is GCP.
Okay.
Other things, if you need to develop a website, you need to deploy a website, then Amazon and Azure.
Okay.
So each cloud has their own specialization or unique feature that makes them different from each other.
मतलब हर एक जगह पे थोड़ा restriction
yes
आ ही जाता है. Okay, Dinesh, next question will be related to certification. I saw your resume. You are also certified, I guess. Yeah. So मुझे certifications, जैसे आप real time में काम कर रहे हैं, मुझे ये जानना है कि certifications कितना matter करते हैं. Especially मतलब मैं चाहूंगी कि आप इसको 2 पार्ट्स में बताएं, for freshers and for experienced.
Actually certification का घाई नहीं करना चाहिए, आराम से करना चाहिए. First just take hands-on knowledge, at least 6 months. I'll refer.
Okay.
Before 6 months, don't take it, else you'll not crack it, you'll waste time and this. Once you start learning, once you do hands-on, there are lots of platform on the Google.
Okay.
You can take any of the course. You can do this online hands-on courses. After doing that, then go for this certifications.
Okay.
Actually, you should go for foundation only. Professional, until and unless you don't work 2-3 years in organization, don't take it. It will not give that worth. Because organization also knows he haven't worked in previous, he just done certification. That will not add that much thing to the certification value instead of working that way.
So you are saying कि as freshers, one should not like rush into taking the certification to grab the job opportunity. Most of the people like हमारे पास जो ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी आते हैं वो हमसे ये पूछते हैं कि अगर हम सर्टिफिकेशन कर लेते हैं तो will the job opportunity like हमें जल्दी मिल जाएगी या फिर हमें ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिलेगी. There's a certain kind of doubt in the market.
Associate level we can do, that is basic only.
Okay.
But that too he should have little bit knowledge, like 3-month knowledge hands-on the cloud.
Okay. So आप अच्छा तो like before cracking the interviews, so थोड़ा interview related बताइए कि before cracking the interview what should one prepare?
Actually this depends like how they prepare. So like in my case I've prepared through multiple these platforms. One I've done Googling. Other are some of the YouTube courses which are given in the YouTubes.
Yeah.
So they'll explain each and topic in depth, and plus they'll show you the exercise in the sample exercise also, how the data is coming, which service will be used, how.
Okay.
So actually I gone through that and I understood that, and then I took Udemy courses. So Udemy course is very useful for me.
Okay.
That time I took Google
And what about
courses.
the practice, hands-on practice? आपने वो कैसे की फिर?
Cloud, they have Google have their own the platform. So after you register for that certification or exam, they'll give you some courses
Okay.
around 30 days or 30 hours or 45 hours. So in that they will give the platform also.
Is it for free?
No. It
Yeah,
will cost.
it will cost. Okay. तो मतलब आपने वहाँ रजिस्टर किया तो they'll offer you some hours of learning. उसको सीख कर फिर आप
Then you
hands
can
on.
give exam.
Okay, all right. And like ये तो उसकी बात हो गई. अब थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं कि अगर कोई बंदा जीसीपी में लग गया या जीसीपी डेटा इंजीनियर पोस्ट पे उसको जॉब मिल गई, तो उसको इनिशियल सैलरी कितनी मिल रही है, उसको थोड़े टाइम बाद कितनी मिल रही है, और उसके बाद जब वो एक्सपीरियंस्ड 5-6 साल काम करता है, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि आप एक एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू बताएं, बट आई वुड अप्रिशिएट कि आप एक ब्रैकेट बताएं कि लोगों को एक जनरल आइडिया मिले उस चीज के बारे में.
Actually कैसे like अभी if you go through college and placement, they will train as per their requirements, not
Yeah.
like we want data engineer. If we want data engineer, we need to go to startup. Because
अच्छा.
MNC will not give that much chances you to directly you will go in development and you will start developing codes in this. That.
Yeah, right.
Actually, you will not get that simple opportunity. That is lucky 1-2% they'll get this chance.
Yeah, I've heard some stories about lucky persons also.
Yeah, so that is only the scenario where you'll get. And if they go also in startup, it depends on like how the company big is that and what they're offering. Actually, it should be 3.5 to 4 beginning.
Okay,
Fresher.
that is a general bracket for freshers.
Yeah.
And what
that
about
too for BTech? If BCA, it's 2.5 to 3.
Oh my God, there's a difference.
Yeah.
What about the knowledge part? Like
it doesn't matter.
The interview panel is same.
I worked with IIT. Like guys who are working from with me in my team, they are from IIT Delhi.
Okay.
We are working same. He's 3-year experience, I am 5-year experience. But they are getting more than me.
Oh my God.
But I can't compare now. It's all about the degree value.
So okay, जहाँ पे बोलते हैं मतलब knowledge, अभी भी ये वाली चीज है मार्केट में कि knowledge से ज्यादा degree matter.
Degree matters. Company looks degree first checkbox is degree.
But मुझे I don't know. I've listened people की जो अलग अलग चीजें बोलते हैं इसके बारे में. ओपिनियन सबके अलग अलग हैं दिनेश. लाइक कुछ बोलते हैं कि सर्टिफिकेशन मैटर ही नहीं करता, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि डिग्री मैटर ही नहीं करती. लेकिन आप तो वो चीज झेल रहे हैं तो आपको पता है कि नहीं करती है.
सर्टिफिकेशन लाइक if you're doing for particular technology, that is fine, that doesn't matter that much. But this education, this high master degree, this matters. I have faced this multiple times, not one company, 2 companies, 3 companies I faced.
Yeah, so आप face कर रहे हैं तो yeah.
Actually when I completed my college, when I was giving outside interviews like 6 months before completing, people were not accepting my applications because I'm not in BTech. This is the things. They were rejecting on Naukri, LinkedIn. I have reached everywhere. I struggled anyhow. Oh my God. So I know that BTech value is very much higher than the BCA and this.
So do you regret like not doing BTech?
No, I don't regret. But later I know I need to come at their level. So in COVID, I did MCA also. So now I am like level to them.
Okay, you have done masters.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, one who need to be compared with BTech, they should have MCA, not BCA.
Okay.
So 1 year additional investment needed. 3 plus 2.
Yeah,
5 years.
5 years. 1 year additional. Okay. Okay, Dinesh, थोड़ा अब तो ये काफी हमने टेक्निकल बातें कर ली, कुछ थोड़ा सा फनी अपने इंसिडेंट्स बताइए, कुछ जो आपने फेस किए हो अपने वर्क लाइफ में. एक्चुअली हमारी ऑडियंस को स्टोरी सुनने में बहुत मजा आती है कि आप अपनी कुछ स्टोरी बताएं कि मेरे साथ कोई ये इशू हुआ था जो मैंने सॉल्व किया, या कुछ भी ऐसे कोई डिफिकल्टी आपने जो फेस की हो रियल टाइम.
Like first company only.
Okay, हाँ, please.
So I was working there. So I was fresher.
Yeah.
So whatever manager was telling me, we were doing that work. So one day what happened, we are working as usual. So I was not aware that much technical that time. It was like new job, you know?
Yeah.
So I was working. And my colleague was from Kerala. And he was not able to speak English also. He was speaking very little much. He was speaking his home language.
Okay.
We were not able to understand. He gave me one query. He told me to test that query in dev environment. Okay, he told me to run that query and test in dev environment.
Okay.
I was working under him. So that he gave me query and he told me to compare and test this query, how it's working. By chance, I ran that query in production.
Oh my God.
And data got deleted.
Oh my God.
Then it came to escalation. And it didn't came to me because I was fresher and I was told, and that time I was
you
not
directly did it in production.
Actually, in that time we were using Oracle SQL DB.
Okay.
There it was not major difference. There we don't have the environment different. There we have a URL difference.
Okay.
So I logged in one time and I didn't logged out from production previous day. And I ran in the next day morning. I came and I ran. I didn't remember also I didn't logged out.
Oh my.
So that time it became problem. But then it became later it came to the point. So that
My
was the
God.
one.
So
After
आपको
that,
डांट तो पड़ी होगी.
that बहुत बड़ी है. Like they brought me in that meeting room and they given me words, everything. From there, now every time I run one production query, I check the environment.
Yeah.
Now also I take care of that.
अब तो काफी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. अब तो जरूरत नहीं पड़ती होगी.
नहीं, पर वो रहता है कैसा, मतलब कि चेक्स करना चाहिए. प्रोडक्शन इज लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लाइंट्स.
Yeah, right. Of course, it is important. पूरा डेटाबेस उठ सकता है.
एक्चुअली आई ट्राई इन दैट टाइम आल्सो. आई ट्राइड टू मूव, लाइक वही टीम में हमारा क्लाउडो भी था वो टाइम पर भी.
अच्छा.
पर दे didn't give me opportunity to move. So actually I need to move out of the organization to grab that opportunity.
एक बार गलती हो जाती है तो फिर हमेशा.
Actually I completed 2 years there, but I asked them, I begged them, please give me cloud. I'm interested. I'll learn. I'll study on Saturday, Sunday. Now also I'm learning machine learning because I need to change my path. Actually now upcoming is machine learning.
Okay. अच्छा, आपने खुद ही अपना टॉपिक दे दिया अब आगे पूछने के लिए. मशीन लर्निंग कैसे, क्या सीख रहे हैं, क्या चाहते हैं आगे, कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं?
Which project I'm working, it's like just started 2 years back. So actually we have gathered lots of data. It's not 2 years of data, but it's like TB of data.
Okay.
Because they had historical data around 10 years back. In other system, we have just moved that data entirely 10 years system into our system.
Okay.
So now on top of that data, we need to build machine learning models.
Okay.
So actually client is demanding for machine learning engineer. So they are giving us cross training skills. So actually by 2 months we'll complete this training. From 3rd month we will be starting for
machine learning engineers.
Yeah.
Machine learning engineers are not data scientists?
Yeah, they are. Like, it's machine learning is like a new word, is a new term or new job which is coming now. It was not there booming.
मतलब मुझे हर आईटी प्रोफेशनल आके कोई एक नया टर्म बता के जाता है और मुझे लगता है कि oh my God, एक नई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट हुई मार्केट में.
It's part of data scientist, but not that much. But abhi like it's specific to machine learning. The guy which will do machine learning, he'll do machine learning. Data scientist is like this big
umbrella.
Yeah. Under that, data engineer will come, machine learning engineer will come, data analyst will come, business analyst will come,
okay.
BI developer will come. So lots of things.
So ये मतलब इसका काम बेसिकली जो मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियरिंग है ये बेसिकली ऑटोमेशन वाला पार्ट ही हैंडल करेगा.
Yeah, मतलब they'll take that data.
Yeah.
They'll write some Python codes and they'll use some existing machine learning models like regression models, linear models, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. So these are some technology terms which are basically used in the industries.
अच्छा, ओके. अच्छा, फ्रेशर्स के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं पूछना चाहूंगी. आपकी कंपनीज में भी आते होंगे फ्रेशर्स. आपके हिसाब से आज के टाइम पे थोड़ा जनरल बात करते हैं, नॉट स्पेसिफिक टू डेटा इंजीनियर. आईटी में एंटर करने वाले जो फ्रेशर्स हैं वो आज के टाइम पे क्या गलती कर रहे हैं?
Actually, they are running behind packages and big companies.
अरे don't ask when people come here for the like inquiry कि मैम क्या करना चाहिए, सर क्या करना चाहिए, फ्यूचर में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड है. The only question they ask is, sir, मैम पैकेज कितना मिलेगा? सर पैकेज कितना मिलेगा?
Package doesn't matter. I started from 2. I worked for 2 LPA 2 years.
See, and now he's successful. Like we tell them कि at least you enter into IT and IT will give you package no matter आप कितना टाइम वहाँ रुक रहे हैं, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, अगर आप थोड़ा सा पेशेंस दिखाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा पैकेज.
IT is evolving, like patience plus learning, both needs.
Yeah, of course. Learning is also
very important. Learning cannot stop at any stage. If you're a manager, then also you need to learn.
So आप भी वही कहेंगे कि they are running behind packages.
Yes.
और like attitude wise और
like actually what happening like in this curriculum only they are giving lots of theoretical, not that much practical. Actually students should go out of their box and they should practice on other, like Data Camp is one website. They'll give everything, machine learning, data science.
Data Camp.
Data Camp.
Yeah, please note it down. Data Camp. थोड़ा सा और बताइए Data Camp के बारे में.
It's like a platform.
Okay.
When I was using it was free, but I think so now it's subscription based.
Yeah, अगर subscription based है भी तो I would कि थोड़ा सा पैसा इन्वेस्ट अगर गलत सही जगह पे किया जा रहा है तो कुछ गलत नहीं है उसमें.
Actually yes.
Yeah, so
like there you will get everything, SQL, data scientist, machine learning, everything you will get there as per your beginning knowledge, like beginner, intermediate. So what they'll give you data set, they'll give you platform, everything they'll give. You just need to write query, run it, test it and see if your output is coming correct or not. No? Then they'll give you a chance also to see where you're going, where you're doing the mistakes.
Okay, all right. मतलब it is just for practicing. Like basically designed for practice.
Practicing. Okay. Hands-on practicing. Because theoretical we'll get in the books.
वो तो मिल ही जाता है.
Yes, that is the problem.
तो आपके हिसाब से कि the second mistake freshers are doing, they are running behind the theoretical part rather than getting the hands-on practical. Okay. And anything other thing you would like to?
Actually, when they come as a fresher, most of the company asks for aptitudes.
Aptitudes.
So-
Okay.
It should be prepared like 3 months back, because there are lots of concept in maths, in logic building, English and this thing.
Yeah.
But people don't prepare in this first step only, they get out.
या अच्छा आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि इंटरव्यू के जो फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है उसमें देयर इज अ एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट
In all of the MNCs, I'll tell 90%.
ओके सो वो एप्टीट्यूड वाले पार्ट में ही पीपल गेट आउट
Out.
बिकॉज वो फोकस सिर्फ आईटी वाली चीजों पे करते हैं और एप्टीट्यूड पे नहीं करते
Yes.
ओके सो या दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि अगर आप पहले स्टेप में बाहर हो जाएंगे
Then
तो
how we'll go for next round and next round,
एग्जैक्टली
3 round.
एग्जैक्टली आपने बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजों के बारे में बात की दिनेश आज. अच्छा लास्ट में आई वुड अप्रिशिएट कि आप हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए एक अच्छा सा मैसेज दें बिकॉज मैंने देखा कि आपका काफी डीप नॉलेज है चीजों के बारे में, काफी क्लैरिटी है आप में कि ये करना चाहिए ये नहीं करना चाहिए, आपके डूज एंड डोंट्स शायद वो एक्सपीरियंस से ही आई वुड से
Yes,
कि
definitely.
कर करके गलती कर करके या हम चीजों को देखकर ज्यादा सीख पाते हैं. तो आई वुड से कि आपने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी हैं अपनी लाइफ में, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस जो है मैं चाहूंगी कि एज अ मैसेज आप हमारी ऑडियंस को दें.
Yeah, actually, matlab, we don't need to go behind anything. We need to learn, upscale, and be with up-to-date technologies, and be practicing. Don't like what happened. We work under one technology and we just do that thing. And in market, something new is coming, and we are not adopting that.
Yeah.
So what will happen after we are working there 5 years? After 5 years, if that technology will go away, that will not stay for. If
Yeah.
anything new will come.
Right.
So people will work on that only, and they will not understand what is going around them. So it's good to understand this feasibility, like what around things are coming, new technologies are coming, and they should think the solution, like innovative solution, how we can do this in better way.
Okay.
They should not like we need to do this task, so we will complete it quickly. We should think out of the box solution also.
So you are saying कि अपडेटेड रहना चाहिए.
Yes.
अगर आप अडाप्ट नहीं कर रहे अपने सराउंडिंग के साथ साथ आप वहीं स्टक हैं तो फिर आईटी में मुश्किल
No
है.
growth. You're stuck there only in one company or like in one organization.
ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच दिनेश. आई रियली हैड अ ग्रेट टॉक. मजा आया आपके साथ बात करके, काफी हंसी मजाक भी किया हमने एंड आई एम श्योर कि हमारी ऑडियंस को भी बहुत मजा आया होगा आपसे बात करके. We'll again have a podcast someday. We will discuss about some topics in detail.
Sure.
Yeah, so have a very good day and thank you very much from Learnomate Technologies. And I really wish all the best कि आप आगे बहुत कुछ करें और जल्दी ही मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर बन पाए.
Thank you very much. It's like honor for coming here and giving the knowledge. It helps me also to motivate the students.
बेसिकली ये पॉडकास्ट का हमारा यही इंटेंशन है कि लोग जान पाए आईटी के बारे में.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.